Today, I will be showing you how to make columns side by side in Card. To start, click on Add Elements. This will open the list of elements you can add to your card. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the list and select Container. Once the container is added, open its settings and switch the layout from default to columns. After switching to columns, you can adjust the ratio of each column within the container. This allows you to control how wide or narrow each column appears. You can add up to 5 columns inside a single container, depending on how many sections you need for your layout. Once the columns are set, you can adjust the appearance by customizing spacing, alignment, and design to match your card's style. And that's how you make columns side by side in Card. Thank you for watching.